Okay, so friends, I was talking that these are the people who have really worked hard and made this conference to level that is known now globally. First and foremost, Professor Muralidhara, he was teacher actually. He is assisted by Dr. Chandrakanta. I will show him. He is track chair of antennas. Then Kausik Basu, Sashi Das, and Vinod John. They were program committee come track chairs for power energy and power electronics. First time we included this track, but to means it was really mind-boggling. 70 plus papers have been submitted for this particular track. So this shows that we have really tapped the untapped territory in the Connect. Then there was a millimeter wave and terahertz related special session. Dr. Karthikeyan from IIT Roorkee and Dr. Yuvraj from NIT Andhra Pradesh, they were the track chairs. They have done wonderful job. For the first time we introduced this, but we got more than some 10 to 15 papers in this particular track. Then we introduced geoscience and remote sensing track. This track was chaired by Dr. Dayasagar of ISI Bangalore. Now coming to communication and vehicular technology and autonomous vehicles, Dr. Naveen Kumar, he has handled more than 100 papers, I will tell, because in communication close to 90 papers were there, and vehicular technology also more than 27 papers were there. Total 117 to 120 papers he has managed along with Subhas. Subhas was the track chair for autonomous vehicles. Coming to robotics, this track again, it has there was a lot of participation, even though this was a first time in production. So Dr. Sudarshan TSB and Dr. Sikha Tripathi, they managed this track very, very well, and review process, everything they accomplished in record time. Again, there was aerospace electronics special track. This was managed by R.U. Nair. Then Edge Intelligence, again a new addition. It was managed by Professor Vijay Kumar of MSRIT. So he has also contributed immensely. Coming to nanotechnology, it was managed by Dr. Veena Chakravarti. Then biomedical, again, we never thought that we will be having a track on biomedical for humanities in Connect, but we introduced it. And Dr. Abhishek has done a wonderful job. This track has also more than 50 submissions. And he has done meticulously everything along with his PC members, and number of selections were also quite high in this particular track, and quality of papers were also really terrific. Then we introduced sustainability. This was managed by Professor Dinesh Seth. VLSI, again a new addition. It was managed by Professor Mohan Kumar of Geetam University. Dr. Dinesh Seth and Mohan Kumar both are from Geetam University, because Geetam University was part of this conference when it was supposed to happen as a physical event. Then signal processing track was managed by veteran Sumam David from NITK Surathkal. This track has because communication, signal processing, and computing, these three were the main tracks of Connect before 2020. So usually these three tracks have received large number of papers. This year also we have received large number of papers. So track chairs role and responsibilities were really, really important, but they did it, and they did it on time. Now coming to Dr. Chandrakanta Kumar. So again, Professor Das was telling the finding. So he was the new finding for our Connect. He not only contributed as a track chair for antenna, he has also contributed as a TPC co-chair. As a TPC co-chair, in fact, Professor Muralidhara was slightly accommodative, but he was so meticulous that every day he was sending how many papers have been reviewed. And that too, not only that it is reviewed, he was giving a very, very exhaustive statistics also, that 1 review, 2 review, 3 reviews, and 0 review. So that kind of statistics has really encouraged all the track chairs to complete the review process on time. So we were having a WhatsApp group where every day morning there was a statistic by Chandrakant. he was telling that out of 689 papers, how many reviewed, how many pending, 1 review, 2 review, 3 review. So thank you, Dr. Chandrakant. Then again, track was managed by with veteran Dr. Raghavendra Kulkarni of RVC and Dr. Ashutosh Kedar. Both of them have contributed immensely. Not only that, Dr. Sugandhi and Dr. Mahesh, they have also contributed. WI track was well managed by Dr. Sadhana as well as Dr. Anandi Giridharan. So this track again, we wanted to focus them that you tell us which areas you want to contribute, but they told that they will be embracing whatever tracks Connect is having. They will be able to review all the papers, any particular track. Only requirement should be one author should be a WI member. And this team has really done a commendable job. You can imagine they managed the subset of all those 15 tracks with their own reviews, with their own reviewers, and every paper was again reviewed by minimum 3 reviewers. So commendable job. Thank you, Dr. Sadhana and Dr. Anandi. Then again, we introduced new track on aircraft, connected aircraft. So Dr. Soundararajan has brought in first time very focused topic on this. But in India, this was a very niche area, but I'm very positive towards taking any chance, and if anybody wants to do anything, I'm very open. So that's why we have allowed him to go ahead with this very focused topic. Still, we could not get much papers, but he managed to get a few keynote speakers and invited speakers. So that's why there was a special workshop on that. Then Dr. Indumati has contributed in photonics, and we have received in photonics a lot of papers. So these are the real people, those who never came in this WebEx mode, because if physical meetings are there, at least you will know that. But when there is a WebEx kind of virtual platforms are there, then bringing all these people at front line, it was not possible. So I thought that let us utilize this opportunity of a validatory function to bring all these people in front of you. Without them, definitely Connect 2020 would not have been at this level. So thank you one and all. Now coming to the core volunteer team. So they have done, previous team has done a wonderful job as far as paper review process is concerned, paper selection is concerned, and identifying the best paper is concerned. But in Bangalore section, when we are conducting physical conferences, it is not a big deal. Our setup is ready. We have to call one mobile phone call. We have to do our venue is fixed. Our caterer is fixed. Our event manager is fixed. So they know what way we want to have conferences. So it is much easier for us to conduct any conference when it is a physical. But when we moved to virtual, this was a totally new experience for us, and we never thought that we will be able to do such kind of preparation, which can really bring me along with this team and you people at same platform without having. I agree that there was hiccups were there, but definitely we anticipated a lot more hiccups. And but this wonderful team has really done a great job that we all are comfortably sitting here and discussing with you. So you can see first row, they are our first level of warriors, I will tell them, like Corona warriors. So this first team you can see, Dr. Sujata, Dr. Ashwini, Miss Neha, Dr. Ashwini Hola, Raghavendra Prasad, and Shrikant Tangade. So these 6 people, along with one particular day, again, Pushpamala. So they were track volunteers. And you can imagine, there were multiple phone calls from delegates, presenters, speakers, session chairs, and they handled very well, handling this WebEx team flawlessly. And you, at any point of time, you might have seen that if you have sent mail or WhatsApp message, this entire team, they raised to the occasion, and they have tried to solve, I can say, almost 95% of the problems. Then coming to the second level, this first level, they were the front warriors, but behind the scene again, these 6 people or 7 people, they were continuously in touch with the remaining 6 people in the second line. So they all were 24/7 available for resolving any of the issues. Website, from day one onwards till date, Manjunath Iyer was behind the website, creating drop boxes, creating track-wise drop boxes, and getting the things done. So kudos to him. And till now, he is behind the scene and he is managing all of us flawlessly. Then coming to Kishore, so you might have seen social media was flooded with connect posters and other things. So this was really managed well by Kishore, getting the posters done. And sometimes posters will not be up to the mark what we want. Then throughout night, he will be getting it updated, content creation, posting it on social media. And now Bangalore section presence is not only at one platform, we are having at Facebook, you name it, at all social media platforms we are available, including YouTube channels. So all these recorded sessions, they will be at Bangalore section YouTube channel. If you want to see it, just go to Bangalore section YouTube channel, and you can get all these videos. Then coming to Chengappa again, he is one man army. Anything you give him, he will do it. He will never say no to anything. So that's why first time also I told he is omnipresent person. You just anywhere you might have seen, he might have been present. So thank you, Chengappa, for all the hard work. Then coming to Abhishek, he is the face of our Bangalore section. I can say that he is again. Till now, he was Chengappa, Bangalore section, I can tell. Now Chengappa has come, has taken over his place. But Abhishek is the person again who is, I can say, he is the connect between Exicom to the outer world. Not only to the members, but to the IEEE dignitaries as well. So he has also contributed immensely. And he is having his own team for getting the things done. You give him anything and he will get it done. You need not worry. You just tell him that Abhishek, this has to be done, and he will get it done. I think I have already spoken about Chandrakanta. So he was also managing behind the scene for any problems at any point of time. Now coming to Dr. Muralidhara. So me and Muralidhara, they were the third line. Like so, these once you are not able to solve problems with these two front line, then only problems were reaching to us. So our job was very simple. But yes, my job was again almost 90% taken by Dr. Muralidhara, who has coordinating with all these volunteers, and then my job is hardly 10% in this connect. So that way I can tell you. So thank you, core volunteers, for making this happen. Then you might have thought that we have done this connect without any support from the student volunteers. No, student volunteers, they bring vibrancy and energy to any particular event. I could not name all of them, but yes, whom I have directly worked, so I have put their names there. Akash, he was the man behind making posters. Ketan is the person who you might just, the moment our valedictory function will be over, you will get a mail that your certificates of participation as well as presentation, they are at your mail IDs. So all this hard work of poster making and certificate making is done by Ketan. Manisha, Prasanna, they were in the publicity along with Ritvik, Sneha, Swarna, Sri Shanti, Sai. So they all were taking care of activities of Connect, and I cannot all of them. So that's why plus many more. So please give me if your name is not included. So thank you, students. Thank you very much for contributing towards this Connect. Before going to the awards again, it is the right time to have again a step of Connect. We were having 689 submissions. Yeah, again, one important I forgot. We have introduced this early submission advantage. Early submission advantage again is a unique initiative of IEEE Bangalore section, which I can tell you in this entire world nobody does. We have introduced that if submitting your paper within 15 days of first eligible for 50% discount on the registration fees. With this, a student publish an IEEE paper and attend a conference in less than $30. You can imagine in Indian rupees, convert in 2,000 rupees, IEEE student members were able to present paper in an IEEE international conference. We have introduced these slots. Intention not to have more number, intention was to, because we face the problem of having a large number of submission at the last date. So it was becoming really difficult for the technical program committee to review all those papers in that well-established manner. So they wanted to have more time. But Connect being an annual conference, it is really hard for us to give more time to TPC, because usually we will give 2 to 3 months for the paper submission itself. Then hardly they were able to give 30 days or 45 days. So you can imagine when 700 papers are there and each paper has to be reviewed by 3 peer reviewers. It means 2,100 reviews has to be done within 30 days or 45 days. So they raise their hand. Then let us solve this in a unique way. We told, okay, whoever will be submitting papers early, we will be giving them incentives, because they are really contributing by submitting the papers much ahead of the last date and giving TPC time, sufficient time to review them. So that's why we have given, we thought that let us incentivize them. And under that, we have received out of 700 submission or 689, some 150 submission. So this was the first time, and I think people might have thought that whether it will really be given or not. So that's why numbers were less. But hopefully next time, numbers are going to be more than 50%, I am pretty sure. We had 4 slabs, 50%, 40%, 30%. And then we had normal fees. We have given 25% discount to IEEE members, 50% discount to student members. Over and above this early submission advantage was there. Why I am emphasizing that? Because I just wanted to tell you, I have received especially one particular mail where they told that your registration fees is quite high in this pandemic situation. But before this pandemic, COVID-19 was there, we have given you plethora of opportunities for submitting your papers and availing this kind of opportunity for having less registration fees. So we have already given sufficient discount. You can imagine in 2,000 rupees IEEE student member, 3,000 rupees non-IEEE student member, and 4,000 rupees IEEE member can publish a paper. You can tell me any one particular conference in India or abroad who can give you this kind of privilege. So I was really pained to receive that kind of mail. So I have replied to that mail, okay, you can go ahead and submit the paper. So I know that particular author or authors might have been hurt because of my mail. My apologies for them, but intention was not to hurt them, but it really pained us because we have already given you opportunities for availing this, and 150 submissions, they have also availed it. In addition to that, when we went to virtual, whatever we have given registration fees, we have given additional 20% discounts on that. So I thought that I will just clarify that point also here. So out of these 689 submissions, 255 papers were accepted, registered, and presented in this particular conference. Again, I know there are few people who could not make the presentation because of activity issues. We will be cross-verifying whether they have submitted their videos or PDF presentations, if they have given those presentations, submitted presentation before the deadline, we will consider them as a presented paper, because we know in India still there are few places where really connectivity issues are there, power issues. Sometimes even connectivity is there, you don't have power, so that you can charge, you can have connection with respect to your PC or mobile. So we are considerate towards that. We will be those who are not able to make the presentation. We will be looking back to their video presentations and cross verifying if they have submitted. Then you don't worry, your paper will be treated as a presented. But I can tell you these numbers of not presentations are very minimal. Out of 255, we had almost, I am not having the final number, but most probably we had 230 plus presentations, which is a huge number. We thought that hardly we will be having 50% of presentations, so that's why we took extra initiative and got all the videos and PDF presentations with us. But still people have joined. They tried to join multiple ways, whether it is a PC or mobile. And thank you very much for joining us and encouraging us. Because of this number of papers were more, so we were forced to have multiple number of technical sessions. We never wanted to. You might have seen when conferences become virtual, number of days of conference become days to months. People have converted conference in virtual conference, but the entire process has become a monthly procedure, means one every day, because they cannot have parallel session. But our team has devised a unique way how to have parallel sessions also in this virtual way. That's why we could complete the presentation of all these 255 papers in 42 technical sessions within 3 days. So kudos to the entire team. We also had 19 keynotes, 7 parallel workshop tutorials. In addition to that, already I have explained that we had 15 different technical tracks for the paper submission and 4 special tracks. Again, because in the very niche area of aerospace electronics, terahertz, women in engineering and space technology. Now coming to this paper, I think before going to this, I would like to have some feedback from the participants. I have taken 30 minutes of your time, but still, I want to have feedback directly from the participants. I can see more than 150 people, and close to 200 people are now, they have joined. If you want to provide any kind of feedback, positive or negative, how to improve the conference connect in 2021, I would really like to listen from you. You just raise your hand. I will provide you opportunity to as a panelist, you can come and speak. Otherwise, you can also type in the Q&A window or a chat window. We would like to hear from you. You just let me know, any one of you are having any kind of a feedback, raise your hand. I am not seeing any hands, whereas, okay, I will see in the chat window. Okay. Okay, question is, can you share all the recorded events? Yes, you can go to IEEE Bangalore section YouTube channel. You will get all the recorded messages, all the recorded webinars, as well as we are going to upload all these presentations and the keynote speakers things also on our Bangalore section YouTube channel. You can go and subscribe it and you will get the information. I think already Abhishek has provided you this YouTube channel information. Sir, can you tell me when I will get my certificate? Yes, already I told, the moment this function will be over, you will be getting a mail with your certificate. I got one feedback from Swati Nandkarni. Thanks for a wonderful journey of the paper publishing and paper presentation and excellent conference, well managed. Thank you, Swati. Dr. Jayalakshmi is telling very well organized. Thank you. Moinul Hassan, he is telling, sir, how much time it will take to upload the accepted papers in the IEEE and the co-authors also getting the certificate of presentation. So certificate of presentation we are giving to only those people who have registered for the conference and who have made the presentation. So we are giving rest, all other people will be getting certificate of participation. Then okay, well done. Very Yatish Tagre is telling very well organized. Vishal Rathod is telling, I really thanks to organizing committee for handling these many papers virtually. Kudos to the Connect 2020 team. Thank you very much. Then Dr. Jhansi Rani is telling, amazing work done by your team. Excellent speaker. Thank you, doctor. Okay, I can see few of the hands are also being raised. I will just allow them. Yes, Santosh. Change role to panelist. I am making you a panelist, Santosh. After that, I will be removing you from here. Yeah, Santosh, you can go ahead. You can unmute yourself and tell what feedback you want to give. Yeah, please. Santosh Sapsati. Yes.
Yes. Good evening, sir. Good evening, respected dignitaries over there, and respected session chair and the team Connect 2020. I am really very opportunity to submit my research paper in this esteemed conference, and I have seen that last 3 days it is a very organizing manner, a very streamlined manner, organized everything with a virtual system or virtual platform. So first of all, I'm really congratulations to all the members who are directly or indirectly associated with organizing such conference. Thanks to them to reach in this pandemic situation.
Santosh is having some network issues. So thank you, Santosh. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Sir, can you make Raghavendra?
Now I can see. Yes.
Please make Raghavendra as panelist.
He is already there. Okay, one second. Anjali, I will include, and then Raghavendra, I have initially made. I don't know. Yes, Anjali, you can join us and you can tell your views. Yes, Anjali. Please unmute yourself.
Sir?
Yeah, we are able to hear you. Please go ahead. Okay, I think still there is a problem. No problem. So I think we are not able to listen the attendees properly, even though I'm making them panelists.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yes. Now you are audible. Please go ahead.
Sir. Even during this pandemic period, the program was very well arranged, and we are very glad that we got to know so much about the technical aspects and many more things, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for such a good opportunity.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So I can see now Few more hands are being raised. Hariram sir. So Hariram, I will give you a panelist. You can just express your views, feedback. Yes, Hariram, you can unmute yourself and you can express your views.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. So good evening, one and all. I was fortunate to take part in at least 2 sessions as an attendee. One of my paper, presented by my colleague, and I was also a session chair. Overall, my feedback is, sir, all the arrangements was good, and for sure we have some learning to take both technically and in terms of organizing things. So kudos to all the team who have arranged things. Only one comment I felt is like, after seeing the list of papers and from where it got presented and the technicality, I feel right from the beginning chapter I really enjoyed the session. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Hariram. Okay, I can see SS Sharma also raising his hand. I will make you panelist. Yes, Mr. Sharma, you can unmute yourself and you can express your views as well as feedback.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes.
Sir, actually, I'm a student, sir. This was my first conference I attended. So I really got so much exposure and I really gained so much of knowledge in VLSI track, sir. And I would like to thank Dr. Muralidhar, sir, and Abhishek, sir. They were replying to my mails, sir. No matter how many questions I asked, I was getting so many doubts. They responded as fast as possible. And it was really great session, sir. Thanks for giving us this opportunity. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Sharma. This conference is a platform where we want to bring all the international speakers, because we know that in India it is really difficult for us to go abroad and attend international conferences. So that's why we are trying to make Connect itself such a platform where international speakers can come and people from India specifically, they can come and attend and get the benefit and exposure of an international conference. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This was my first paper actually, and I was thinking that my paper was it was very very good. So, but after seeing the more papers here, I felt that my paper is not up to the mark, sir. So
very good. So if you are having this kind of attitude, you are going to really improve yourself and you will go very far in your life. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I will take one more question from Souvik. Souvik, I am making you panelist. Yes, Souvik, you can unmute yourself and you can express your views. Souvik Paul, can you unmute yourself? Are you there? Yes, Souvik, go ahead. Okay, we are. I think he is traveling. Dr. Kamal Nathan. Okay, Dr. Kamal Nathan, I will make you a panelist. You can just, I will take 1 or 2 more. That's all. After that, we will go to the award section because we are already now 6:42. Yeah, another 3 minutes. We will have this session and then. Who can you mute? Some of the panelists is already unmuted themselves, so that's why we are getting some background noise. I don't know from where it is coming. Yeah, I have made Swati Nandkarni. Swati, you can go ahead. You can unmute yourself and you can give your feedback. Swati, you are able to hear us? Okay, I think she is also having some network issues. No problem. We will go to yes. Now we will go to the awards ceremony. We will go in the alphabetical order. So best paper awards for antenna system for futuristic applications. Best paper for industry goes to paper ID 246. Authors are Aarti A. Group, Vaishnavi Das SK, Avinash Singh and Hema Singh. Paper title is Honeycomb Structure Based Super Straight with Low Profile Patch Array for RCS Reduction. Award money is rupees 4,000. Best paper under the academia category for track antenna system for futuristic application goes to paper ID 331. Authors are Monica Budania, Gyanendra Verma, Amita Jayakumar. Title is Design and Analysis of GTM Cell using CST Studio Simulation. Again, award money is 4,000 rupees and academia. So congratulations to both of you. Raghavendra Prasad, can you mute yourself? We are getting a lot of background noise from your place. Thank you. I don't know whether these authors are here. If you are here, just let us know in chat window or Q&A window that yes, you are there. And Abhishek, can you just verify whether they are responding? So at least we will know that they are there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will go to the next track. Best Paper Awards for Biomedical Engineering for Humanities. Under Industry category, Best Paper Award goes to paper ID 500. Author is Sayan Putatunda. Title is A Hybrid Deep Learning Approach for Diagnosis of Arithmetic Sequence Disease. I hope I'm right. Award is 4,000 rupees under Industry. Under Academia, it goes to paper ID 138. Authors are Rai Sachindra Prasad, Gautam Kumar Singh, Shishir Prasad and Vikas Prasad. Paper title is Unique Color Circle Design for a Novel Screening Tool to Identify Cancerous Skin Lesions. Award money is again 4,000 rupees. Yes, importantly, I wanted to tell because we reduce the registration fees by 20%. So we reduce the award money also by 20%. Otherwise, it was supposed to be a 5,000 rupees award, which reduced to 4,000 rupees. Best Paper Award for Communications. Award goes to paper ID 671 under Academia category, under Industry category. Authors are Nishant Kailash Kumar Jha, Alok Kumar Jangid, and Devabrata Das. Dr. Das, congratulations to you. At least you are there, I know.
Thank you, thank you. All the hard work of the my co-authors, of course, they worked with me for that is his MTech thesis. Thank
Yes,
you.
yes. Congratulations, sir. Please convey our regards to them as well. Paper
Thank you.
title is Efficient Protocol for Reliable Mobile Origination Connection in UR/LLC Devices. Under Academia, it goes to Vishal Rathod, Sanjana, Krishnam, Ayush Kumar, Gauri Bhaskar, and Mohit P. Tahiliani. Under Academia, it goes title is Effective RTU Estimation Using Eiffel Retransmission Timer in COAP. I know Mohit, he is from NITK, so award goes to him. Best Paper Award under Computing, it goes to Muhammad Maideen, T. Srinivas, and Anandi Girdharan. Paper title is A Method of Designing Mobile User Model Using User Semantics and Personal Profile. Under this computing, we could not find any good paper for industry. So TPC has decided not to give the award and they have gone with only Academia. So we respected their decision and we are giving only to the Academia, under Academia category. So congratulations to Dr. T. Srinivas, Anandi Girdharan, and Muhammad Mahiddin. Now coming to the Edge Intelligence and Networking, again we got only for Academia. Paper ID is 670. Authors are Varun BV, Kusma SM, and Geeta Reddy. Paper title is AI Edge-based Voice Responsive Smart Headphone for User Context Awareness. Congratulations to the authors. If they are there, thank you very much. If they are not there, if any one of you know, please inform them. Anyway, we will be putting this information to the Connect website, and also we will be reaching out to them for their bank details so that we can transfer the money. And those who are in Bangalore or in Karnataka, if government permits, before December, we are planning to have at least one get together with volunteer and all these awardees. We would like to have a kind of a dinner, come get together, but let us see. I cannot commit anything right now in the present scenario, but if it is there, definitely we would like to meet them personally and give them a treat in the form of a dinner, to along with all volunteers. Now coming to the Best Paper Award under Photonics category. In Photonics, we got both the awards, Academia as well as Industry. Award goes to paper ID 209. Authors are Fekadu Meheret, Jermiu, Preetam Kumar, and Dr. T. Srinivas. Title is Hybrid Photonic Beamforming for 5G Downlink Millimeter Wave MIMO Communication. Under Industry, paper award goes to paper ID 453. Authors are Adarsh Jain, Parth Kumar Sakia, and R. Bahal. Paper title is Design and Development of V Coherent Pulse Source for Quantum Key Distribution System. Congratulations to all the authors for both the papers. Now coming to Power Energy and Power Electronics. Best Paper Award goes to, here they have recommended only for Academia, goes to Shahrukh KN, Hema Rani P, Dr. Sally Jaj, and Dr. Ashok S. Paper ID is 73. Title is Novel High Gain common grounded jet source DC-DC converter. Best paper award under robotics, again it goes to only academia. Paper ID is 25. Authors are Abdul Wahid Nasir and Idamakanti Kasireddy. Title is Performance Evaluation of Model Predictive Control for 3 interactive tank process based on its lower order integer and non-integer models. Best paper award under signal processing category, again TPC recommended only for 1 award under industry. Paper ID is 513. Award goes to Ganeshan Tyagarajan and Sanjeev Guru Gopinath. Title is Phase Only Filter Design with application is in OFDM systems. Best paper award under vehicular technology and autonomous vehicle, we got both industry as well as academia. Under industry, award goes to paper ID 400. Authors are Tushar Vrind, Lalit Patnaik, Debavrata Das, and Sudarshan Rao. Congratulations again, Dr. Das. You got second award. So you are doing a lot of good work.
Thank you. Thank you. All goes to this team. So
Yes.
thanks. But this is Tushar's research. So and the team. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you. Please convey our regards. The title of this paper is Deep Learning Based LAP Deployment and Aerial Infrastructure Sharing in 6G. Under academia, it goes to paper ID 496. Authors are A. Justin Gopinath and B. Nitya. Title is Fuzzy Logic Based Cooperative Rebroadcasting Algorithm for Multi-Hop Vehicular Network. Best paper awards are VLSI and embedded systems. Goes to under only one category, academia. Paper ID is 38. Authors are Manas Ranjan Tripathi, A. Samad, Ashish Kumar Singh, Prince Kumar Singh, Kamalaksha Baral, and Satyabrat Jit. Paper title is Device and Circuit Level Performance Comparison of Vertically Grown All Silicon TFET and Germanium Silicon Heterojunction TFET. This is the last track award, best paper award under WI track. Under academia, it goes to paper ID 272. Author name is Sri Bala Nagul. Title is PDDT, Path Discovery for End-to-End Data Transmission in Cognitive Radio Ad Hoc Networks. Under industry, it goes to Deepika Datta Mishra. Paper ID 163. Paper title Design and Development of Centralized Squared Proxy Management System. With this, all the track awards are over. Awards in which tracks is not being declared, they are having less than 20 papers, so that's why awards are not being declared for them because of less competition. Now coming to overall Connect Best Paper Award for Industry and Academia. Award price initially was 25,000, we reduced by 20%. So presently it is 20,000 rupees each for industry and academia. And award goes to Connect Best Paper Award under academia goes to under VLSI track, paper ID 38, Manas Ranjan Tripathi, A. Samad, Ashish Kumar Singh, Prince Kumar Singh, Kamalaksha Baral, and Satyabrata Jit. Already I have declared, so because they have got under VLSI category, so we have made clear that only one award will be given. So they will be getting award money of rupees 20,000 only as a Connect Best Paper Award under academia category. They will not be getting the track Best Paper Award money. But anyway, this is overall Best Paper Award under academia. Connect Best Paper Award under industry, amount of rupees 20,000 goes to paper ID 453. Authors are Adarsh Jain, Parth Kumar Sakia, and R. Bahal. It is from photonics track. Title of the paper is Design and Development of Weak Coherent Pulse Source for Quantum Key Distribution Systems. So congratulations to all the authors, whether it is a track best paper award or a connect best paper award under academia or industry. Congratulations to all of you, and please make sure that next time we should have all the 15 tracks, both the awards under industry as well academia. You may be astonished to know that we have allocated more than 2 lakh rupees only for awards, and we are able to distribute at least more than 50% of that money, even though few tracks they could not get the awards. Now coming to 2021, so with this we are ending the journey of Connect 2020, but yes, our journey towards 2021 is going to start from this point onwards. First and foremost, thanks for registering, attending, or presenting papers in Connect 2020. Already I have told digital certificate of participation presentation award will be issued immediately after this. Award money will be directly transferred to your account. We will reach out to awardees for their bank details. Looking forward for your active participation in Connect 2021. And students, those who have got awards or you have not got award, today is the death anniversary of Vivekananda ji, whom I admire most. So he has given a very, very thought-provoking quote, Uttisht Jagrat Apya Varan Nibodhat, means arise, awoke, and stop not until your goal is achieved. So if you follow these words in your life, definitely no one is going to stop you, and you will reach to the level whatever you want in your life. With these words, I would like to stop myself at this point of time, but I want to make one more announcement here. We are conducting another very, very important conference on humanitarian technology that is known as IEEE Bangalore Humanitarian Technology Conference, which again we have started for the first time this year, where we are bringing again international speakers, innovative speakers who are working on in the field of humanitarian technology. And if you are also working in humanitarian technology field, you are invited to submit paper in IEEE Bangalore Humanitarian Technology Conference. That conference also has multiple tracks. It also has a track best paper awards. It also has a BSTC best paper awards, and last date of submission is 15th. Actually, it was on 30th of this month, but we extended because of Connect. So you are having another 11 days to submit your papers. If you are having anything, you have worked anything related to humanitarian technology, please submit your paper, and we assure you that you are going to have a similar kind of experience there. I am seeing one question. Could you please provide Bangalore chapter CAS website address and contact email? Yes, please write to us. We will be able to provide you IEEE Bangalore CAS chapter, not only CAS chapter, any chapter you want, their details, contact person details, and other things. So with this, I would like to again tell thank you very much for all of you for attending this validatory function and making this grand success. Das sir, you want to tell any concluding remark or your observations, or any of the committee members who are here as a panelist? We are more than happy to have you. Yes, Das sir.
Thank you, Mr. Puneet, giving this nice presentation about the detail about the conference. I know how difficult and tough to organize a conference, because I have gone through all this multiple times. So I only want to say that 10% responsibility was not there in your mind. Actually, it was close to 100% as a chair. Chair is fully responsible for every activity, not only reviewing and all. You are very modest in your speech. I see that. So but I want to congratulate you first as a chair. You have done it very nicely, and starting from finance and reviewing hours and all. And secondly, I want to also thanks to the TPC chair, Professor Muralidhara, Dr. Chandrakanta, and others, Kaushik and all. They have done, and Dr. Naveen, and all the list of people who have done a wonderful job on all these verticals. It's not easy. Following up with the reviewers, reviewing, giving. It's a wonderful job they have also done. Thanks to them. And as a steering committee, I am being in the steering committee myself and Professor Hari. Extremely happy to see both of us see that the conference has reached to such a level. And moreover that those few students who came in as giving their feedback, that is they are so happy. That is they are the future of the country. As you have put
Yes.
Swami Vivekananda's photo, they are the future. And thank you, and have a wonderful time again for the section. And we wish again Connect 2021 will be a grand under your guidance to the next. Thanks. And
Thank
we
you,
are
sir. Thank you. Yeah, Dr. Muralidhara, would you like to say a few words?
Yes. So I think it was about 2 months back that we decided that this conference would be virtual. We had a lot of discussions and we were worried how to take it forward. So we had very little time to plan this virtual conference, and so about 95% of the people are able to present the papers in this conference. And most of them, I would guess, would have got the experience of presenting their papers in a physical mode. I think most of the credit should go to our chair, general chair. So without his interest and leadership, I think this would not have been possible. Okay, I think all of us should give him a big hand. So that's all I had to say. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Muralidhara. Dr. Chandrakant, would you like to add something?
First of all, thank you very much for giving me this responsibility. Actually, to be honest with all of you, this is my first time I am taking a big responsibility in this side of conferences. Otherwise, I used to attend the conferences, and now I can feel the difference, what it means actually. So when it comes to me that I am doing this much part, so whoever is there, me, what is their responsibility? I just now I can imagine. And I have a special mention for all the team, like Abhishek and all. They have done a fabulous job. But actually, I mentioned many times during the session that sometimes we are not feeling that we are not in the conference. We are getting almost the same feeling of the conference because we are getting the audio, video, everything all together. So may have to, after going through another 1 or 2 conferences like this, we may have to unlearn this one. Somebody told that you have to unlearn this one and you have to go on this mode. So I think it is altogether it's a great conference, and I thank Dr. Muralidhara also for accommodating me along with him to support him and whatever possible way I could. And that's all. And thank you one and all. And of course, everybody knows that the chair is the leader is the team. So that's all I wanted to mention, and I will stop here. Thank you very much.
Thank you. So any other panelists who would like to tell anything, you are free to provide your feedback, because it is also important to listen from the committee members what they felt for this conference, not only attendees. Abhishek, Chengappa, Sujata madam, any one of you? Would you like to add anything?
Thank you, sir. That's what I wanted to say. I mean, we had wonderful experience. We are already started missing about the event, that it is about to end. 3 days, the internet was on peak. Maybe we have lost entire internet in the first week of July. Rest, we have to buy it again. But still, it was amazing experience for us, first time. And we had amazing volunteers. More importantly, we had amazing keynote sessions and
wonderful participants who participated very actively. The questions, the way they were asking, they are making us keep ourselves on toes to help them out to make this conference wonderful. Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you. Chengappa?
Thank you, sir. I would just like to extend or rather echo the same words of Abhishek here. So in fact, like we, as you said, like it was tireless 3 days, the past 3 days. But still, I thank all the participants who did support us and stayed with us for all the 3 days of this virtual event and making this first virtual edition of IEEE Connect a success. And again, all thanks to your leadership that you had faith in us, provided this opportunity so that like it would be a better volunteer service for us as well. Thank you, sir.
I would like to echo both Dr. Abhishek as well as Chengappa's words. It was an excellent learning platform for me as a volunteer under your leadership, and it was fantastic to work under an amazing team. They were always with us anytime we had a doubt. They were with us to help us out. The participants were excellent and they cooperated with us very well. Thanks for giving me an opportunity, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Sadhana, madam? You led a very large team of WI volunteers.
Yeah.
So,
Actually, when we proposed the WA track, for the first time we are having it connected, happening for the 6th or 7th year. But WA track for the first time, when I told Mr. Puneet, he immediately agreed. Without any hesitation, he gave his approval for going ahead with the WA track. So thank you so much for the support. And also I would like to thank all the volunteers who have supported me, especially our TPC chair Anandi, Giridhara and Sujata, and all other people who have supported in review of papers. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you. So, two veterans, Raghavendra and Shrikant, you keep it, please express your views
Yes,
also.
sir.
Yeah.
Sir, good evening. This was a great journey for us, and I want to express you have given the training on WebEx also. Since it was completely on online mode, you felt that it is better to have for all the people to have a experience of WebEx and how to make them present, and to see to that none of the paper presenters they are going to miss out. So we saw that if they are not able to present, so that they can send their PPTs to our email ID so that we can project and they are able to present it. It was really a great experience, sir. Thank you very much. I am very happy to work under your leadership, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Shrikant.
Yeah, good evening all. Thanks a lot, sir, for giving this opportunity on the big platform. It's like IEEE is not like a Bangalore section, it's looking like an international one. So thanks first of all for giving opportunity for volunteering in such an international platform. And first I would like to thank again to all the participants. So even it's a virtual, even there are some issues to load the PPTs. They send their PPT to the track coordinator, and we uploaded and they presented. This given us a very energetic role to play as a volunteer. That's really great. Any event without a participant, it's not a success. So thanks to all the participants. Second, I would like to thank all the session chairs. They given very good feedback and input to the authors and track chairs and all our volunteer friends, especially Abhishek and Chengappa sir. So I always say Abhishek sir is like our Bangalore section Modi. So along with them, one more Modi is like Chengappa sir. So finally, I would like to thank our chairperson Puneet sir, because he is a driving force for all the activities, not only this IEEE Connect. So thanks a lot, sir. I am very happy to continue volunteering under your guidance, and volunteering is the one which I have learned from the IEEE. Thanks a lot, IEEE and IEEE Bangalore section. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Ashwani, you have done wonderful job with cultural. How was your experience overall with Connect? Ashwani Hola, please go ahead.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. It's been a wonderful learning curve that I've had, and I speak on behalf of my students and myself as well. It's been very wonderful interacting with a lot of student branch counselors and students. It's been very inclusive. I just felt that the virtual conference has brought us more closer together. Lots of opportunities for working together, and most of all, I enjoyed the bonhomie that we had working amongst the volunteers. So thanks for the opportunity. I really liked the workshops. Couldn't attend most of them, but I really look forward to more such opportunities. And thanks again. It's been lovely working with all of you, be it the professionals or the students and the volunteers as well. Thanks again for this opportunity.
Thank you. Ashwini? Dr. Ashwini Appaji?
Yeah, I think, yes, this virtual thing made us to follow the new normal. So this, most of them said this is a first experience. So I was just telling somebody like when humans get some problem, we always find some other alternate solution. So this was a great solution, I can say, without escaping from the things what we were doing. And it was a great overall session, I can say. Connect 2020, this is a memorable one. So every year when Connect comes, we can remember 2020 in a better way, explaining everyone how virtual went so good. And I would like to thank the whole team and the whole Bangalore section for giving an opportunity, and also the previous chair, the mentors, and everyone who has inspired us to come all along till here. And yes, participants were really great, I can say. Even though most of them were really nervous and they called us, they mailed us saying that they don't know WebEx, but end of the time, we just told them it's very simple, just a click. And yes, everything was just smooth and an awesome event, I can say. Thank you.
Thank you. So I can see about almost all the panelists here. If anyone is left, I cannot see. So thank you very much. With this, let us declare Connect 2020 accomplished, and see you again in Connect 2021. Thank you one and all. Thank you very much.
On your videos and you can take a photograph now.
Yes, very good idea, sir.
Closing ceremony, inaugural, we had one.
It's a good idea. Let us have that.
Please, all the panelists, I think, should switch on the video.
Panelists, please switch on the videos.
Please switch on the video so that we can have photograph of all of you. Someone please take mine also.
Yeah, you don't forget to take yours also, Mr. Puneet.
Yes.
And put this photograph in the website also, that this is a new way of in the web kind of thing, how to take the thing.
It's correct. Yes.
Very good. Thank you.
Raghavan Prasad is expert in taking photos, so he will send me immediately after this photo. Thank you very much, sir. So once again, it was really a overwhelming experience for me, I can say. First time we did everything virtual, and I was really tensed whether it is going to be all right or we are taking a lot of risk. And that too, 6 parallel sessions. You can imagine the kind of risk what we have taken. Not 1 track or 2 tracks. We planned 6 tracks, so many keynote speakers, but by God's grace, everything went well with support of all these terrific volunteers. Thank you one and all.
Thank you.
A separate meeting where we will have our own internal discussion as well as kind of a dinner meeting. If everybody agrees, then we will see that how to go ahead. Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, there was a lot of planning as well.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.